In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank account to Expensify. Settings preview. We'll walk through the exact path in the settings preview, explain the choices you'll see, and share a few tips to help you get it right the first time. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into Expensify on the web and that you have permission to link a bank account for your personal use, or if you're on a company policy, that your admin has granted you access. Start by heading to the Account section. In the Settings Preview layout, open Account, then go to Wallet and select Bank Accounts. This is where all payment-related connections live. If you're accustomed to the classic layout, think of this as the updated home for reimbursement and payment settings. Once you're on the Bank Accounts page, look for the Add Bank Account button. If you don't see it, you may be on a view-only role or a restricted policy. In that case, check with your admin or switch to your personal workspace. Click Add Bank Account, and you'll be asked to choose what you want to do. Pick between Get Reimbursed or Make Payments. Get Reimbursed is designed for personal reimbursements, great if you submit expenses and need funds deposited into your own bank account. Make Payments is intended for business use. This connects a company account used to reimburse employees or pay bills through Expensify. Choose the option that matches your role and goal. You can always add another account later for a different purpose if your permissions allow. Next, select your country. This helps Expensify tailor the connection method and required fields for your region. Choosing the correct country is important because bank formats and verification rules vary. Now add your bank details. You'll typically provide the account holder name exactly as it appears on your bank records, along with your account number and the appropriate routing or sort information for your country. Enter everything carefully and double-check for typos. Mismatched names or digits are the most common reason for connection failures. Depending on your bank and region, you might see a secure sign-in window to authenticate directly with your bank. If prompted, complete that authorization and approve the requested permissions, so Expensify can route reimbursements or payments correctly. When you finish, save your changes. You should now see your bank listed under Bank Accounts. That means you're ready to use it for the option you selected, either receiving reimbursements or making payments, right from Expensify's wallet. And that's it. You've connected your bank account in the settings preview quickly and confidently.